What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this nasty shot, this Volvo driver door. It probably goes under a brace. We will need to take the doors off, put it on the stand, and see how it goes. This is the damage right here. We are going to take the doors off. Probably won't take this off. My plan is to enter through this rubber right here, but we have this part of the doors which is closed. This part, it's like this, that it's way narrow, and the dent is also going over there, but we have these four screws to untie, two on the bottom, two on the top, and it's very easy to disconnect this. You just lift this up and the doors are disconnected, and of course need to unscrew this. So we got it all nice on the stand thanks to a friend that helped to put it off. I didn't end up unscrewing this because I noticed that there is a screw here, and if you take these off after, you need to center align back the doors. With this, no need, because they self-align. Now this is the access point we will have. If you can see, the dent is already smaller. That's because I tried my access and some of it went out, but the hard work still remains. But we have a nice opening. There is a nice opening to the rest of the dent. Somewhere here goes the brace. So we have half on the open and half on the closed. So let's get to it. This is where we are after quick pushing. Now this here is all under a brace, so we will either have to glue pull or find a way to sneak a tool under here. Got this part half done. Next one is this, and of course knocking all the crowns. We just need to find something to squeeze in here. So this is what I was able to push and knock down. Now this part I can't reach. I will have to glue pull it. all done with these doors. It's time to put it back on. Before that, let's check out the after video, and then we can put them back on and we can get this car out of here. That's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you click the like button down below, and I will see you on the next one.